Thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full body workout with a Theraband. It's going to be quick and effective, and let's get started. You're going to take your band and place it around the soles of your feet, and you're going to sit up super tall and just begin by bending and extending your elbows for 5. Shoulders are down and back. 4, breathing. 3, long spine. 2, and 1. Keeping your elbows taut towards your side, you're going to point and flex your feet. So you're going to go for 10, really tall. 9, breathing. 8, keeping those shoulders down and back. 7, 6, 5, really finding that whole movement through your foot. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flexing your feet, you're going to extend your arms back out and then tuck your pelvis under, rolling down bone by bone until you get onto the mat. Staying down on the mat, I'm going to wiggle down so that I'm not off the mat. You're going to lift your shoulders and drop your shoulders, and you're going to make little circles with the shoulders holding on to the band. For 5, belly button is in. 4, exhale. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. You're going to nod your chin and roll your spine up bone by bone as you sit up tall. Again, you're going to grab your band and melt the spine down bone by bone, really pulling your lower back into the mat and slowly lowering yourself down. And then exhale, scoop the abs in and up, pulling the belly button in as we roll our spines over, bend our elbows, sit up tall, and straighten the arms. We'll do it again. You're going to tuck the pelvis under, melting bone by bone, trying to keep your arms in line with your shoulders as you roll all the way down, staying down here. Inhale and exhale. Nod the chin, belly button pulls in, and we roll back up, sitting up tall. Okay, let's do 2 more. We melt, tucking, breathing, finding our deep abs. Shoulders are heavy. Exhale, scoop and roll all the way up. Belly button's in, reaching for our feet and sitting up tall. 1 more. Bending those elbows at our sides. We straighten the arms and we melt. Melt, melt, and lower down. Beautiful. Exhale, scoop and roll all the way back up, staying halfway here. We're going to do pulses for 10. Shoulders are down. 9, belly button's in. Exhale, 8, 7, really scooping. 6, 5, folding over ourselves. 4, 3, 2, long arms, and 1. Staying halfway there, you're going to grab onto where it feels comfortable for you on the band. You're going to open your arms out to the sides for 8, 7, keep those feet flexed. 6, chest is wide. 5, arms are long. 4, so are your wrists. 3, 2, 1, sit up tall. Beautiful. Now sitting on your mat upright, you're going to rotate towards the right and then bring yourself center, and then rotate towards the left. So as we rotate, we're going to keep the other arm straight, trying to keep the only thing that's moving are our arms and our waist. And we're breathing. We're sitting up super tall. Our shoulders are down, and we're going to go for 5. 5. Keep those feet flexed. 4, strong wrists. 4, head is moving with the spine. 3, breathing. 2, rotating from our tailbone to the top of our head. 1, and 1. Beautiful. You're going to lower yourself down, releasing 1 foot and melting the spine all the way down. Extend your leg up to the sky, flex the foot that's on the mat, and bring your arms at your sides. You're going to point your toes and make little circles on the ceiling for 10. Keeping those hips still. 9, breathing through this. 8, 7, slow. 6, keep it smooth. 5, breathing. 4, 3, sinking those hips into the mat. 2, And 1, let's reverse it. So we go for 10, shoulders are grounded. 9, breathing. 8, finding that long stretch. 7, 6, flex that foot. 5, steady hips. 4, 3, breathe through it. 2, and 1. Beautiful. You're going to bend and extend your knee, reaching through your heel for 10. Reaching through your butt. 9, elbows are down on the mat. 8, shoulders are heavy, really reaching through that foot. 7, like it's a Karate Kid and you're chopping wood in slow motion. 6, I don't remember what number we're on. 5, sorry. Exhale, reaching 4, breathing through this. And 2, you got this. 1 more, really reach, keep that leg long. We're going to go up and down for 10, flexing that foot. 9, hips are still. 8, really keep those wrists strong even as your leg lowers. 7, feel the stretch. 6, breathing through it, heels are down. 5, scooping those abs. 4, 3, 2, last one, up to the sky. Good, lower the leg. We're going to switch sides. You're going to roll back up, extend that leg long. You're going to lower yourself down. This is the left side now. Lower, lower, lower. You're going to bring your leg up to the sky. Make sure your band is flat. Elbows are at your side, arms are straight, foot is flexed. Point the left leg. We're going to make small circles on the ceiling for 10. 9, breathing. 8, hips are still. 7, 6, really reaching through that sit bone. 5, strong wrists. 4, 3, 2, this is hard. 1, I'm shaking, and we reverse it. We go 10, steady hips. 9, breathing. 8, reaching. 7, 6, belly buttons in. 5, 4, really flex through that left right foot. 3, 2, 1, bend and extend the knee. We are reaching through our heel for 10. Really reach, pressing through our butt. 9, heavy shoulders. Exhale. 8, really reach. 7, keep that foot flexed. 6, 5, 4, breathe. 3, reach through that butt. 2, strong wrists, and 1, keep that leg long. We go up and down for 10. Breathing. 9, heavy hips. 8, 7, how steady can you be? 6, shoulders are down. 5, strong wrist. 4, 3, breathing. 2, 1 more. 1, lower the leg, roll your spine up. We're going to go onto our stomachs. Now taking the band, you're going to place it around your back, the upper back. You're going to keep it flat. And you're going to lower yourself down onto your mitts. So your arms are going to be at your side. Your nose is going to be on the mat. Your hands are pressing into the Theraband and as high as you want, so you can get as much support from the band as you choose. And you're going to nudge a fake marble away and rise your chest up into the band and melting it down. So hold on, I need to fix my band. Bring it up, like up into the middle part of your upper back. There we go. And then rise up like this, breathing through this, and then melting it down. So you're pressing your back into the band, pressing your hands into it, really reaching, pressing through it. Feel the stretch, shoulders are down. It's helping, keeping you grounded, and then melt back down, resisting into it as you come up. So you press into the band, pressing your hands, and then reaching through your back, long neck, squeeze those glutes, and then melt it down, bone by bone, from your hips towards your stomach, then the shoulders. Last thing is your head. Let's do 3 more. So we press into the band, really reaching, finding that long line. If you can't go this high and you can only go up to your elbows, that's fine too. Do what works for you. And again, we lift, pressing through the band, finding a long spine. Shoulders are heavy at the top. Crown of the head is reaching towards the sky. And we melt down, bone by bone. 2 more. So pressing your hands down. The better you can keep, if you can keep your band flat, it's better. But if it crunkles up, it's okay too. Just try and really resist the band as you lift up. Good. 1 more. Shoulders are down, neck is long. Now let's look to the left, breathing, and then to the right, keeping our hips pressing firmly into the mat, really stretching our necks from the left to the right. Let's do 2 more. Shoulders are down. 1 more. Beautiful. Melting it down bone by bone. Good. And from here, you're going to take the band, you're going to sit up and put it along your spine. So lay the band flat on the mat, and then you're going to grab it from the other end. So your legs are long, and then you're going to keep the band flat, lift it up along the back of your spine. Keep your feet straight and flexed. Elbows are reaching towards the ceiling, grabbing the band taut, and you're going to flex your feet and reach through them, pulling the band as they go through your feet, and then stacking your spines tall into the band, and then bending your elbows. So your arms go straight up to the sky. We dive our heads forward, really reaching, allowing the band to assist us and give us that feedback, and then peeling our spine up into the band. Shoulders are down and bending. Again, we do this 3 more times. We reach, feeling that deep stretch along our spines, along our hamstrings, lower back, reaching our fingers long, and then stacking the spine up into the band, dropping our shoulders at the tops and bending our elbows. 2 more times we reach, finding that long spine, reaching through our fingers, breathing into our backs, and then stacking our spines tall, bone by bone, and keeping those feet flexed. Let's go. 1 more time we reach, diving our bodies forward, finding that nice elongation, and then slowly rolling up, bone by bone. Head is at the top. Drop our hands. Good. Beautiful. Continuing on, we're going to grab our band. Almost done. And you're going to place it around your chest, sitting forward. You can sit, you can kneel, you could stand, do what works for you. I'm going to kneel, and standing tall, arms are at our sides, we're going to hug a giant tree, squeezing our glutes. So make sure that you're one long line from your head to your knees, and you're pulling your pelvis under. You're going to hug a giant tree, open, exhale, scoop and pull it together for 2. Belly button plugs in 3. Exhale, 4. Knees are directly over our hips. 5. 6. 2 more. 7. Shoulders are down. And 8. Beautiful. Elbows are at our sides. We're going to punch. So you're going to punch your right arm and then bend it. Punch the left arm and bend it. Pulling the belly button in. Arms are long and straight, really reaching through our knuckles. For 3, breathing. 3, shoulders are down. 2, 2, 1, and 1. Beautiful. So now you're going to take your band, place it underneath your knee, both knees actually. So make your band pretty and flat. And then you're going to kneel on top of it, grab the band, and you're going to put your right arm onto the mat, and reaching up with the left arm, you're going to bend up and over. So we're going to go for 10, belly buttons in, neck is long, 9, reaching, 8, working those triceps in the side of the body, 7, if this is too much, you could always go like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Good. Sitting up tall. Let's do the other side. So you're going to put your left arm on the mat. If you need to give up some space, you can. Looking down, you're going to go up for 10. 9. If this is too hard, you can always go onto your side like this. 8, 7, but I'm going to do this. 6, breathing. Hips are forward. 5, shoulders down. 4, 3, breathe. 2, and 1. Beautiful. Ooh, that was challenging. So as we wrap up this quick and full body band flow, let's just end by bringing our arms directly in front of us. You're going to have your arms straight. You're going to open the band and close the band. Shoulders are down. 2, breathing. Exhale, 3, 4, pulling the navel in. 5, 6, 7, one more, and 8. Great. And just sit on your mat. Take a moment to feel how you feel. Do you feel more alive? That was quick. It was effective. And now you can move on with the rest of your day. So thank you for joining me. And if you like it, don't forget to press the like button in the corner and to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next time.